How to fix OBS game capture black screen issue on Windows 10. Here's how to fix OBS game capture black screen issue on Windows 10. 1. Run OBS as administrator. Refer to the following IMG. 2. For NVIDIA users only, switch OBS's GPU, run NVIDIA Control Panel and select Manage 3D Settings, and add OBS into the app list. Note, enable high-performance NVIDIA processor. 3. Enable the compatibility mode. Refer to the following IMG. 4. Use an alternative to do a game capture, like Windows Game Capture and Snagit.